Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Happy Saturday. Today's episode is build a high ticket program funnel and earn 1,000 plus daily. And this is truly possible. You just gotta have the right tools and do the right thing. Now, a little bit about me. I'm an affiliate marketer, and if you're following my channel, then you're probably looking at different ways to make money online. So I try to bring you videos on different techniques that I'm using and different programs that I'm involved in, and hopefully help you on your journey to basically achieving time freedom, which is the goal for everyone, and basically making a full-time income online. So that's the goal. So let's get into it. Like, how do you build a high-ticket program funnel and earn money daily? What is the process of building this high-ticket funnel? And what is a high-ticket program actually? If you're wondering about that. Well, let's start off at the beginning. First off, affiliate marketing is what you're going to build it in. That's sort of the niche that you will be working on, or the business plan you'll be working in. And affiliate marketing just means that you're an affiliate for someone. Someone else creates a program, and you sell that program to someone, and you get paid a commission. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to deal with any of logistics, anything like that. It's just purely you basically get people to basically purchase the program, and you get paid a commission. Now, why do you want to sell high ticket programs instead of low cost programs? So a lot of times we can sell something, for a couple $100 or less than that, and we'll make, maybe a $30 commission or $50 commission kind of thing. And that's great. Except, wouldn't you like to be making $1,000 or a $1,500 commission, that kind of thing? Like, that's for each one, because basically it's the same amount of work. But you have to sort of set your mind to this, that it really is a numbers game. You really have to understand, like, numbers. It's not just that easy as you go put your link somewhere and you hope that someone hits it. You need to drive enough traffic so that you can have a number in your head. Like, you go, if I send 500 people to this link, I know three of them, or maybe, three of them are going to purchase the big ticket, or two of them are going to purchase the big ticket. I know that out of 500, 200 of them are going to fill out the form. So maybe you can get a 25 to 30% opt-in rate on that. So it would be less than 200, but close to 200. Right? So you're going to get those guys opting into your list. So you're going to be emailing them, and then from there you're going to move them into buyers. So you're probably going to sell them a low price item first, but move them on a little basically series or sales funnel to purchase, to them to purchase a large high ticket product, right? And that's how you build a high ticket funnel. Now, what's cool is that there's some programs out there that teach you exactly how to do that, how to do the advertising. And stick around to the end, because I'm going to give you one of them that actually, it gives you the entire funnel. You don't have to do anything. You just have to put your information into it. You will have to shoot a very short video of yourself just basically introducing, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you what the philosophy behind that is. Okay, so the one I'm going to show you, they actually, the program, which is great. And if you checked out my earlier videos, I talked about, when you look at a program, you want to make sure that the environment that the program is in, that you're able to participate in all the commissionable products within that program. Because some programs, you put a person in, and then the owner of the program actually sells them a whole bunch of other products, but you only get paid for that first initial thing, right? So you want to look at a program that actually pays for all the products, whatever is being sold there. And that's an important thing. So I'm going to show you this program that I'm talking about, and I'll give you all the details at the end. Is don't forget to subscribe. Basically, let me just open up my browser here. Where am I? Okay, so the one that the There we go. So the page that we use is, or the program uses, is something called Clickfunnels, which is great because what happens is you not only get paid a commission for the program that you're in, but you also get paid commission from Clickfunnels because it's an affiliate program. And when you join this program, you would put your Clickfunnels affiliate program or link, not mine. So you would get that Clickfunnels residual income, right? And it's a great, ClickFunnels is an amazing program to sell other high ticket stuff, which is great. So this is my landing page. It's a split right now. This is one that the basically the company gave me, and then this is one that I was testing on my own. It actually, they both do very, very well. I've got a solo ad going to it now, so I'm just adding some, just getting some more stats on which one's doing great. But let's look at the company one that you're going to get. So you would send traffic to this page, right? So free video. Do you want to work with me and my team personally to launch you an online business together, right? And then it's just simply like, where should I send the free video, right? And then they would put their info in there, and they would click the link. They would then be deposited onto your autoresponder, which is a program that sends bulk email for you. And then where they would go is they would go to a bridge page. And now this is a big mistake that people make. They don't create a bridge page. And what a bridge page does is, think about this. If you've opted into someone's list, right? And all you saw was this screen, right? And then you're taken to the actual program. When you're getting an email from me, where's the relationship? Why would you want an email from me? Because there's no relationship, right? You haven't really met me. It's just basically you filled out a form, and all of a sudden you're getting emails from me. And if you join the program, you're going to be getting emails from the program itself as well, right? So you're going to be getting two sets of emails, basically doing the sales. There'll be different emails, of course. Now, when you do a bridge page, it's just a short video. This is a 40-second video, and all it is, it's introducing myself, right? Glenn Murray, it says my name. It's just a video of me saying, hey, welcome to the thing. I'm going to introduce you to this guy that's going to take you through all this stuff. And then they would click here, and they would go to the next step, which is actually signing up for the business challenge in this case, right? So they would go here, and now I've introduced them to this guy, right? So that's why that bridge page is so important. And then of course this is where the sales page, and then Dave takes over and starts making the sales, right? So I've done my part. So as an affiliate marketer, I've done my part. I've collected an email from my list, right? So remember this. Even if they don't join this program, they're still on my email list. I have some other programs that I mail them, or I have my YouTube channel that I want them to subscribe to. So when I make a new video, I was like, hey guys, I just uploaded a video on how to do this. I can get them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can also, when other programs that have new trainings come out, it's like, hey, there's a brand new training on how to do TikTok, or how to do Twitter, or how to get more business on Facebook, or how to get more business on LinkedIn. Check out this link, and I can send them a link to that, right? These people, because I know they're in the making money online, how to market niche, so I'm able to send this other things to them and then make a sale that way. So even if they don't join here, that's fine. I want them to, because they're going to do the challenge, and then from the challenge they can be taken through to buy a high ticket item. And I highly recommend buying a high ticket item, guys, so you know the feeling, so you know what it's like. Of course, if you're completely broke, don't. Excuse me. But you really should get that feeling and know how it is to be a buyer. So basically, that is the fundamentals of building it's so easy to do, guys. And you can do it yourself. You don't have to use this program. Now, what happens once they've opted into to that first page? They're going to start receiving a series of emails. And I think there's like 30 some odd emails that they're going to receive from me. So for the next basically month and a half, they're going to be given more information from me, who they met me in the video, for the program. Now what's happening is I'm establishing a a relationship of trust, right? So maybe they're not going to buy today, but as they go down, and maybe maybe they don't open every email, they open every second email, they start watching stuff, and they're like, wow, I'm starting to really like this stuff, right? Well, in every single email, there's a chance for them to go to this page and get started and sign up and get going through the process, right? That's how you sell a high ticket, or that's how you create a high ticket program funnel. That's exactly how you do it. You have a landing page, you have a bridge page that introduces yourself. So you start the bond of trust. And from there, you send them to the program, which is going to do the majority of the selling for you. So really, you're just the middleman that is recommending something, but because it's such high quality, it lifts up your appearance of having authority, right? And now they're getting emails from you. You're adding more authority. So when you start sending them the stuff to buy, they have an idea who you are. Not just you send them a link and they buy a high ticket program, right? I mean, that can happen as well. But this way, you're going to get way more bang for your buck, because at some point, you're going to have to start sending traffic and buying traffic to send to it. So here's what I have for you today. Down below is a link for this program. This program is completely done for you. There's nothing that you need to do. You just go through the business challenge. You get a coach. In fact, that they're going to give you a free coach that comes. I think this program costs $7. You get a free coach. You do the coaching, and at the end of it, you will be asked if you want to be an affiliate, and you can become an affiliate, and then you can sell this program. I highly recommend doing the Business Development Center. It's an amazing product. But basically, even if you don't do that, do the mastermind class. There's so many great products in it. So that's what I recommend. Get signed up now. If you need any help at all, I am here for you. You can message me through YouTube. You can message me through Facebook or email. You're going to be getting emails from me, of course. So reply to an email. I will respond to you and just say any sort of help you need getting your business set up. And then, guys, all you need to do is send traffic at it. And I'm going to put 2 links to my favorite traffic sources, which I'm currently using right now as we speak. I've got paid leads going to this page, that page exactly, and they're opting in. And let me see here. Let me just see what we're looking at here. Here, I'll quickly show you. So I've got 2 campaigns going now, and you guys can see I've got, this is all today, right? Starting at 12 o'clock. There's a lead for one of the programs. There's 1, 2, 3. This one, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far today. Yesterday there was a ton. So you guys can see, like, this is my email box, guys. Every single day, these are people opting in, purchasing, buying, getting on my list, right? So that's how you build a funnel. You need these people opting in. All right, that's what I have for you today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Definitely share this video if you have some teammates that need help, or you know someone that really needs help, or better yet, join the program and then send them your affiliate link, or send them an email saying, hey, you know what, I've joined this business challenge. I'm learning how to market. It looks like an amazing program. You can check out Glenn's video about it, or just go in and you know what I mean, like, do it yourself, because you've got you've got backing, right? You've got authority backing. You can say, hey, check out this guy's video, this guy's video. Make sure that they're going to opt in onto your list, and make sure that you're going to get the commission, and that you just don't send them to someone else's thing without saying, hey, you want to be joining me in that. All right. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So that is how to build a high ticket program funnel and start earning $1,000+ daily. It's truly, truly possible. You just need to get to work on it. All right, guys. Cheers.